Okay, so this is the laundry management software, and uh, just to note, this actual software it's already in use by a laundry located in Kwara State, and they really enjoyed using it. So I'll just be highlighting some of the features that you would definitely be interested in having for your business if you run a laundry business. So first of all, this is the dashboard, and um, what I also want to note that this data is just test data, right? So I created like a an account for a test data just to show it. So this is not real life data. So I'm not sharing anybody's information. So as you can see now, this is the dashboard where you can see the total orders, the total customers in the system, your pending orders, and your today's orders, right? So, and the dashboard is just where you can see everything happening in just a glance. So we have the orders page, and the orders is one of the most critical parts of the system. What does it do? So it basically allows you to create orders for your customers. It allows you to track your orders, like each order for each customer, and a lot of laundries are complaining that they have issues with when you have a lot of orders, you end up mixing, they probably end up mixing the orders at some point, whereby you give someone else um probably a wrong clothes, a wrong material, or a wrong laundry. So to avoid these confusions, these issues, loss of data, misplacement of data, if you use this application, you can see that you can easily manage everything seamlessly by every order is attached to a customer, and every order has a status where you can like update and see what is happening. You know the status of every order at every point in time, so which is basically order tracking. So you can edit each order, you can create a new order, you can basically manage your order. So you can either edit it here for just a quick edit, or you can click on the edit button of that order to edit it, probably adjust the due date or adjust the status, you know. Yeah. So those are the different things that you can do on your order. So I also wanted to mention that we have the services page where you can, so for the orders page, right, you can actually search. So let's say a real life case is probably when someone comes and they want to receive their order, you ask for their name. So if their name is, let's say, Ramadan, you just type Ramadan, let's see, just search for that, and you can see it shows the name of the customer. So that's one very cool feature of these applications. Makes everything very simple and very straight to the point. So we have the services page too, where you can actually manage your services, right? So here, what you want to do is your different services that you render, you create them here. So whenever you are creating an order, the services that you have here, they are what you'll be selecting from. So these buttons are for like if you want to disable or enable a particular service. So if you no longer render the service, you can just click on this button to disable it, right? So you can see it is no longer active and you can enable it back. So you can also create a service, and yeah, so that's it. So for the customers, this is also one very important important module of this application. So you can edit your customers, you can basically just to keep track of all your customers, and you can also check out your customers to see their orders, right? Their order history of every customer. So if I click on this view, and I can see the order history of this customer, which means if this customer comes and they be like, okay, they had an issue in the past, you can easily just check them out, see what they've gotten from you. This information is very useful in different cases, right? So one of the cases is just like you want to see the order history of a particular customer, you can easily do that here. So another very cool feature is the reports, where you can actually track your business to see what your revenue looks like. You can also filter. Let's say I want to check from the 1st of November to today's date. I can filter and I can see my total revenue for this between these two time frame, right? So I made 40K um from this time to this time according to this data. So that's what these are very important things that businesses are very concerned about. So you can also see your completion rates. You can see there's also a nice graph to see what is happening. So I have three total orders and I have completed one. So these are information that you can use to track your business, track your revenue, track your completed orders, and to ensure you don't leave any stone unturned on any stone unturned. Yeah. Okay, so these are different things that you would be benefiting from this particular application. I also wanted to mention that it's actually um, responsive, right? So you can use it from your mobile device, right? So it also has a PWA, which is something that is known as like an application that works like a mobile app. So you can install it on your phone and you can open it from there and operate it from there, like an application, like a mobile application on your mobile device, right? So if you open it, you would see an option to install it on your device. So it has a lot of very cool features, right? So and these are things I'm showing you right now. So it is mobile responsive, as you can see. So you can manage your orders, your services, your customers, see your reports seamlessly from your phone or from your system. So it also has this dark mode and light mode feature. So I think that's just what I'll be showing for now. So as you can see, if you prefer the dark mode, you can use it, and if you prefer the light mode, you can also use that. Yeah. So I hope you actually enjoyed this, and if you'd be interested, you can reach out to me doing with any of the channels that you can see, probably WhatsApp or my email or any other channel. You can reach out to me, and I will respond to you as soon as possible.